so Giles is like a completely original story about this cop dude named Cody and this shark dude named Giles. So one day Giles shows up and is all like, and this one girl's like, and then everyone else is like, so then this pirate dude named Squint's all like, I'll catch the shark. But the mayor's like, oh, and then there's this one really cool shot that's all like, so anyway, then Giles trashes the stock. Cody yells at his kid, and these fishermen catch Giles, and they're all like, until the smart dude Cooper tells them it's not Giles, and they're like, and the mayor's like, but come 4th of July, it's like, all over again. So cop dude, smart dude, and pirate dude set sail to catch Giles, and at first it's all like, show me the way to go home. But then Giles shows up, and it's like, and they try to fight him with barrels, and Giles is like, then they try a cage, and Giles is like, and then Squint's like, and then the boat's like, and Giles is still like, and the cop dude's like, smile, you son of a, and then Giles is like, oh yeah, and this one time they're all like, you're gonna need a bigger boat. True story.